Add the black beans into the grinder. The results are surprisingly good. I'm sure many of you have never seen this method before. My 92-year-old grandpa eats this often. Her skin stays rosy and she's still very strong. Plus it's simple and very affordable. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. Start with 200 grams of black beans. Choose the variety with a black shell and green center, also called green core black beans. The shell is black and the inside is green. That's how they got the name. This bean has nutritional value, much higher than black bean egg whites. Pick out any damaged or moldy seeds. Then put in a large bowl. Add clean water and wash them thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. There's an old saying, eating more black foods means fewer illnesses. Don't underestimate these little black beans. Packed with vitamins, anthocyanins, and minerals. They're often called plant meat due to their high protein. For the same weight, black beans have twice the protein of pork, 3 times that of eggs, and 12 times that of milk. Eating them regularly greatly benefits women, children, and the elderly. Rinse a few more times until the water becomes clear. Black beans can be cooked into porridge or fermented paste, but doing so is very time-consuming. Can't do it every day. This method can be done once and used for a long time, and you won't get tired of eating it. After washing, drain the beans, and soak them in warm water for 30 minutes. When soaking black beans, remember 2 things. Do not soak for too long, and avoid using very hot water. This way the beans will retain more nutrients. Next, prepare 200 grams brown rice. Add water to soak. Then rinse clean. Take out the brown rice until the grains separate and no longer stick. Then lower to medium heat and stir continuously until many grains pop like popcorn. Then reduce heat to medium and stir continuously until many of the kernels begin to pop like popcorn and give off a fragrant smell. I just tried a few seeds. They are crispy, and the more you chew, the more delicious they become. Pour into a plate to cool. Next, prepare 200 grams of black sesame seeds. Add water and rinse them thoroughly. Black sesame is widely known for its health benefits. Gray hair, wrinkled skin. Eat black sesame. Overworked or mentally exhausted? Eat black sesame. There's a saying, where there's smoke, there's fire. These folk sayings are often very true. Because sesame is small and flammable, so roast them over low to medium heat. Roast until sesame seeds are dry and separate, and no longer sticks to the spoon. Then reduce to low heat and keep stirring. Pour onto a plate to cool. Just a little bit of roasted sesame. The aroma makes the drink more attractive. This makes them easier to roast. After soaking, you will see the black beans have expanded. This will make roasting the beans easier. Pre-soaking helps shorten roasting time. Drain and place in a pan. Roast over high heat first to evaporate the water. When all the water evaporates, reduce heat to medium-low. A fragrant smell will appear. When the shell is slightly cracked, the inside turns light golden brown and smells fragrant. If in doubt, try 1 seed. If it is crispy and fragrant, it is cooked. Note: black beans must be roasted completely. If left alive, it can cause indigestion and harm the body. Pour into a plate to cool. When all ingredients have cooled completely, we will proceed to grind. First, grind the black sesame. Turn on the blender and grind it finely. Because black sesame contains a lot of oil, they tend to stick together and will be harder to grind than usual. If that happens, turn off the machine. After grinding, pour sesame powder into a bowl. Next, add in the roasted brown rice. Turn on the blender and blend until smooth. Turn on the blender and blend until smooth. Then, pour in the ground rice and sesame seeds. A small flat type with a white core. There are two types of black beans on the market. A small, flat variety with a white core. The other type is larger with a green core. That's the kind we need. Green-fleshed black beans are more nutritious. After blending, add the black bean powder to the bowl with the sesame and rice. Mix it all up. Here is the recipe for black bean powder. Delicious and simple. It is called 3 black powder. Have you heard of it before? Tam hack powder is the general name for black beans, black rice and black sesame. These 3 black foods, when combined together, will significantly enhance the nutritional benefits of black beans. Although they are commonly used to make porridge, this method is time-consuming and laborious. Turning them into black powder is a convenient and time-saving option. You will smell the rich, fatty aroma spreading throughout the kitchen. The powder is fine, dry, and fluffy. Prepare a clean glass jar with no oil or odor. Perfect for eating and long-term storage. This step is essential for preserving the powder. Open the lid and pour the powder into the jar. Where are you watching from? Please leave a comment and let me know. Finally, close the lid tightly and store in a cool, dry place. You can make it once and use it for a month. Every day, just scoop 2 tablespoons into a cup. Remember to use a clean, dry spoon. You can add sugar, salt, or nothing at all. Can be mixed with hot water, milk, yogurt, or porridge. The aroma and light nutty taste are very appealing. Just looking at it makes me crave it. The best time to drink is in the morning. 3 black powder is simple, nutritious, and easy to prepare in advance. Much more convenient than making soy milk or soak beans in vinegar. The product is made entirely from natural ingredients. No additives, no sugar, and rich in nutrients. If you use it consistently for a while, you will notice noticeable changes. It boosts skin glow, appetite, hair shine, and overall mood. This method is the thing. I learned from my 92-year-old grandfather. No need to cook porridge. It still helps the body stay healthy and clear mind. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, give me a like. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.